Hey guys, what's up? I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 3 of my NAVRATRI makeup series and today I've come up with this yellow pink makeup look. So if you guys are excited for the tutorial, then let's get started. Starting the look by using a green color corrector first to conceal and correct any kind of redness on my face, and to blend that I'm using a damn beauty blender. Then next I'm going to use a primer and I'm only going to be using this on the sides of my nose and also on my forehead to smoothen out the skin over there. And for foundation I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, and to blend this foundation I'm again using this beauty sponge. Then next I'm going to take a concealer. This is by LA Girl, and apply it on my under eyes and also on my eyelids and other areas as well wherever I felt the need to conceal. Then to set my face I'm using this pressed powder by Lakme and applying it all over my face. Firstly my eyes, and then the corners of my nose, the corners of my mouth, and applying it all over my face basically. After that I'm going to take a big foundation brush to evenly spread out the powder on my face so that like no particular area looks cakey. Moving on to the eyebrows, I'm going to take this brown shade and I'm going to pull down my hair using a spoolie so that I can clearly see the sparse areas. And now I'm filling in all the empty areas using the same color, and this brush, it came along with the eyebrow powder, and then I'm setting my eyebrow hair with this spoolie. Moving on to my eye makeup, I'm using the shade Unruly from my Makeup Revolution palette, and I am applying this color all over my lid and also on my crease area. And taking my time to blend this color, and as you guys can see, on my crease I'm blending this color in circular motions. Next I'm going to take the shade Influence from the same palette and apply it right on my crease and also like a little bit towards the outer corners so that the crease looks more intensified and smoky. And blending this color again in circular motions. Next up I'm going to take the shade Lust and apply this on my lid because I really wanted a beautiful combination of mauvey tones and brown tones. Then I'm going to take the pink shade Lust once again and apply it on my crease to smoke out the entire look so that everything looks well blended. Next I'm going to take this beautiful pink shimmery shade. This is such a gorgeous color, guys. So firstly I'm going to apply this color with the help of my fingers, and then I'm going to evenly spread out the color using a flat shader brush. I'm going to take the shade Influence once again to darken up my crease a little bit more, and after that I'm going to take the shade Lust and apply it on my lower lash line and also connect it with my outer wing, and then I'm going to blend this color so that it doesn't look harsh on my lower lash line. And now for mascara, I'm using this colored mascara by MAC. I really wanted to use something different on my eyes today, so I'm using it on my upper and lower lashes. And for my inner corner I'm taking this very pretty glittery shade, and moving on to my blush, I'm using a very natural looking blush on my cheeks. And also for the bronzer, I am going with a very natural looking bronzer. I don't want a very heavily blushed or a very heavily bronzed look for today. Then I'm going to take this beautiful pinky champagne colored highlighter and apply this on the high points of my face. And this is the NYX Born to Glow highlighter palette, and it is so pretty. Like, all the colors are really pretty. And for the lips, I am using this beautiful bright pink lipstick by Colourpop, and I love this whole combination of yellow and pink so much. And to set my makeup in place, I use this setting spray by NYX. And then to add more color to my look, I added this bright pink bindi, and to complement my look further I added these bright earrings. And this is the final look that I came up with, guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you happen to recreate this look, then feel free to tag me in your pictures. I would love to share your looks in my stories. And I think the whole combination of yellow and pink looks super duper pretty. And I totally forgot to add the highlight to my other inner corner. So do let me know in the comment section how did you guys like this look, and all you have to do is like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another amazing and a very different makeup look, and I love you all so much. Bye.